What's up, guys? My name is Pac-Pro, and today I am showing you the Sharpshooter-nerfgun. So I basically just started. I'm just starting just to show the Nerf guns now. I basically created a channel for that, but I basically created that channel for nothing so I just put it on this one so that I can have more videos and get more fans and stuff, because I know probably half of you like Nerf guns, probably, I don't know, but I'm also a fan of Five Nights at Freddy's and all that, so yeah. So basically this is the sharpshooter. So it only takes one shot, as you can see that. The suppressor is orange. I know you have to see that. I'm not saying you're stupid, but yeah. So the suppressor's orange. This part, like the top part right here, is orange. This part is like a kind of a darkish gray, and the trigger's gray. And right here, it looks like a really, really darkish gray, but it kind of looks like a black. And the camera, and then the rest of this right here on the surface is just completely white. And so you can see the Nerf symbol right there. So this Sharpfire shoots one bullet at a time. So basically, it's kind of like them old World at War pistols. Them old World at War pistols that only take like one shot or so. So this Nerf gun only takes one bullet. So if you just shoot it once, you have to reload. It sucks, but you're gonna have to be fast. And then here's the attachment, the stock. Hold up, guys. So this. Alright, guys, so that was the Sharpfire pistol with the stock. And it's one shot, yes. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. But first, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and click the notification bell to know whenever I upload a new video to this channel. Bye bye, and I'll see y'all in the next video.